Hello everyone, this is Professor Swapnil Sonole. I am going to tell you about semester 6 of BSc IT. All my semester 5 students already done with their semester 5 exam. I hope you did well in your semester 5 exam. The college has already started. You know the subject of semester 6. Semester 6 subjects like data warehousing, internet technology, project management, cyber law, GIS. I must say all these subjects are technical and logical subjects. And I can say for getting a good job, for your higher studies, you require good marks in your semester 6. And for getting a good marks, obviously you require a good coaching. And for good coaching, you require a good coaching class. And what can be better than the class which has the 55 years of glorious teaching experience? Yes, I'm talking about Vidyalankar classes. In Vidyalankar classes, we conduct classroom teaching for all semester 6 subjects. All our faculties are highly qualified, 10 to 15 years of teaching experience in engineering as well as in BSc IT. So they not only teach student for the exam point of view, but also they teach, I can say not only teach, they let student understand or learn the subject thoroughly. I can say if the student knows the subject thoroughly, even though the question paper is difficult, you can write the answer and you will get very good marks in your theory exam. For practicals also, every practical, every program is getting executed in front of the student. The output is shown to the student. So the steps for a particular practical, for a particular program is already known by the student. Obviously, it will help student to perform the practical very good in their practical session of their college. In Vidyalankar, we also provide the detailed printed notes, that is unit-wise printed notes in question answer form. So the student knows what are the different questions for a particular topic or for a particular unit. We also provide GQ, that is graded question. It is one kind of question bank. So you already knows what sort of question you need to prepare for a particular unit. We also provide EQ, that is exam question, that is past Mumbai University exam question, so that the student knows what are the different types of questions that already asked in the exam. We also provide EQ solution, that is exam question solution, so that the student knows what kind of answer is expected for a particular Mumbai University question. In Vidyalankar, for continuous assessment, for continuous learning, we also provide periodic tests. After every unit, the test will get conducted, and after test, at the same time, you will get the model solution for the test. So student knows what is the expected answer for a particular question. We also provide the practical handbook. Obviously, if you knows every practical well in advance, it will boost up your confidence while performing the practical in your practical sessions. We also provide revisions, we also provide doubt solving, we also conduct prelim exams at the end of your semester, so that the student knows how to utilize time, how to write the answer in your exams. At the end, we also conduct prelim paper discussion session. So managing time, what is the expected answer, how to write the answer, how to write the best question, or how to attempt the best question is all conducted in that particular prelim paper discussion session. So I must say, student, for your glorious future, pull up your socks and see you soon at Vidyalankar. Thank you.